Hello everyone, I am Divya, your maths facilitator. In this session, we shall learn the exercise problems of class 8, chapter 1. Okay, so this is exercise 1.3. So if you have not watched the concept video, then I suggest you to watch the concept video first because I have explained the concepts very clearly in the concept video and then proceed to this exercise 1.3 video. Okay, now let's get started. So here is the first question of this exercise. Okay, so you can see we have to express each of the following decimals in the p by q form. Now what is p by q form? P by q form is nothing but rational form. Okay, so rational numbers are written in the form of p by q. Okay, so all these decimal numbers you have to convert it into p by q form. Clear? So let us take the first bit of this question. So it is 0.57. Okay, so how will you convert this decimal into rational? So you will take the entire number whatever is given here. Okay, rational is nothing but you will have a numerator, you will have a denominator, isn't it? So like this you'll have a numerator, you'll have a denominator. Now what method I am teaching you is the simplest one. Okay, do follow it. Even if you don't know the basics, you will understand this method. Okay, so take the complete number. Okay, so you have 0 5 7. Take the complete number without the decimal point. Don't write the decimal point here. Okay, so this is the numerator. Now in the denominator you write 1. Okay, now after writing 1, now just see in the given decimal how many decimal places are there. See, 1, 2 decimal places are there. Okay, so this is the first place, second place. So 2 decimal places you have. So in the denominator after 1 you will write 2 zeros. Clear? Now this is nothing but now 057 or 57 both are same, isn't it? This 0 don't have any value, isn't it? This 0 doesn't have any value. So you write 57 divided by 100. Now if you understand this method, then you don't have to write 0 in the next question. Okay, so let us see the next one. You have 0.176. Okay, so as I said, you will write the entire number without decimal point. Okay, so you write 176. As I said, 0 has no value, so we are not writing here. Okay, so divided by 1 along with how many zeros? The number of zeros are equal to the number of decimal places. Okay, so here you can see how many decimal places you have. 1, 2, 3 decimal places. So how many zeros you will write? 1, 2, 3 zeros. Very simple, right? So see the next one. So third bit, you have 1.00001. Okay, how many zeros? 4 zeros and 1. Okay, so this is nothing but now here you see you have to write the entire number 100,001 divided by the entire number without decimal point you have to write. Now divided by 1 along with how many zeros? Just count the decimal places. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you will write 5 decimal places. So you'll write 5 zeros here. Clear? So this is the answer. Very simple, right? So let us take the fourth bit. Fourth bit, you have 25.125. This is nothing but, now see the entire number you will write here in the numerator 25125 without decimal point you will write. Then you will write 1 in the denominator along with how many zeros? See how many decimal places are there? 1, 2, 3. So you will write 3 zeros. Clear? Okay, so let us move on to the next question now. So see, now in the next question, you have express each of the following decimals in the rational form. Okay, so here also you have decimal numbers. You have to express these decimal numbers in rational form. Nothing but again what? Again p by q form. But here you see, now in the previous question the decimals which were given are terminating. Okay, that means you see there is an end to these decimal places. Okay, they are not repeating or they are not recurring. Okay, so they are terminating. Okay, but here you see these decimal places are non-terminating. You have 0.9 bar, isn't it? So this in the concept video we have learned that 0.9 bar is nothing but 0.9999 so on. Okay, so it is non-terminating. So there is a different procedure which we follow to convert these non-terminating decimals to a rational form. Okay, so let us see. So firstly you will take the given question as x. Okay, so let x is equal to 0.9 bar. Okay, now what is 0.9 bar? It is nothing but 0.9999 and so on. Okay, you have a bar on 9, which means this 9 is repeating. Clear? So let this be equation 1. Okay, now What is the period concept? Period and periodicity, we have learned it, isn't it? So periodicity is nothing but how many digits are repeating. Okay, so here you see how many digits are repeating. Only one digit, 9 is repeating. Okay, so there is a difference between period and periodicity. Period is the digit which is repeating. Okay, here which digit is repeating, can you tell me? 9 is repeating, isn't it? Periodicity is the number of digits which are repeating. Okay, so here only one digit is repeating. It is 9. 9 is repeating, isn't it? So periodicity is what? Periodicity is 1. Okay, so when periodicity is 1, you will multiply. Observe carefully, you will multiply by 10. You will multiply equation 1 by 10. Okay, so here also, since periodicity is 1, you will take 1 along with 1 0. Understand the concept. Okay, depending on the periodicity, this number also will change. Understood? So listen carefully. If periodicity is 1, you will multiply this equation 1 by 10. Okay, if periodicity is 2, you will multiply equation 1 by 100. Clear? Are you getting it? We'll do it in the next problems. Now, what is this 10, 100? So, you will take 1 along with the number of zeros equal to the periodicity. Are you getting it? So, here periodicity is 1. So, how many zeros should I take along with 1? I'll take only 1 zero along with 1. Okay, so it will become 10. Okay, so now you'll multiply equation 1 by 10. So, what happens to this? This equation 1 becomes 10x is equal to, okay, if you multiply this with 10, what happens? This decimal place will move one place to the right, isn't it? So it becomes 9.9999 and so on. Okay, so let this be equation 2. Clear? So now equation 1 you have equation 2. So the next step is you have to subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Okay, so what is equation 1? So see, equation 2 is 10x is equal to 9.999 and so on. And equation 1 is x is equal to 0.999 and so on. Okay, so you have to subtract. So if you subtract 10x minus x is nothing but 9x is equal to, so see, 9 minus 9 is 0, 9 minus 9 is 0, 9 minus 9 is 0, and you have a point, 9 minus 0 is 9. Okay, so let me write it here. So see, you got 9x is equal to 9. So what is x? X is nothing but 9 divided by 9. Okay, so x is nothing but 1. X is 1. 9 divided by 9 is 1. Now what is x? Can you tell me? X is nothing but, you see, you have taken x as 0.9 bar, isn't it? So 0.9 bar is nothing but 1. 1 is a rational number. Do you agree? Yes. So let us move on to the next question now. In the next bit, you have 0.57 bar. Okay. So you have 0.57 bar. Okay. So you will take this as x. So let x is equal to 0.57 bar. Okay. So that is nothing but 0. Here 57 is repeating. See, bar is on both the digits 5 and 7. Okay. So both the digits will be repeating in this way. Okay, so let this be equation 1. Clear? So this is nothing but x. Okay, yes. So now what is the periodicity? As I told you, how many digits are repeating, it will give the periodicity. How many digits are repeating? 2 digits are repeating. So periodicity is 2. So when periodicity is 2, you will multiply equation 1 by which number? You will multiply equation 1 by 1 along with how many zeros will you take? 2 zeros will you take. Why? Because periodicity is 2, you will multiply this by 2 zeros. Understood the concept now? So this is nothing but x into 100 is 100x is equal to, now you are multiplying this by 100. So it will move how many places? It will move 2 places. Okay. So here you will have the decimal point. Okay. So it is 57.5757 and so on. Let this be equation 2. Clear? Now what is the next step? You have to subtract. You have to subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Okay, so when you subtract, what do you get? You have 100x is equal to 57.5757 and so on. And equation 1 is x is equal to 0.5757 and so on. Here also I am giving you one tip. So wherever you have point, first write the point. Okay, and before point, what do you have? You have 0, so write 0 here. Okay, otherwise what do students do? They start from here, they write 0.57. Okay, so you'll get confused and your subtraction goes wrong. Here, so 100x minus x is nothing but 99x is equal to, so see, 7 minus 7 is 0, 5 minus 5 is 0, 7 minus 7 0, 5 minus 5 0. You have a point, write the point. 7 minus 0 is 7 and you have 5. Okay, so 99x is equal to, what did you get? You got it as 57. Now what is x? X is nothing but 57 divided by 99. Okay, you can see, you can cancel it in 3 table. So 3 ones are 3. So you have 9 divided by 33. Okay, so x is 19 divided by 33. So x is nothing but 0.57 bar. Okay, so 0.57 bar you have got it as 19 divided by 33. Is this clear? So one problem, if you understand, all the others have the same model. Okay, similar problems. Okay, so let us move on to third bit. You have 0.729 bar. Okay, so third bit, it is, let us take that as x. So let x is 0.729 bar. Bar is on 2 and 9. Okay, see, bar is only on 2 and 9. It is not on 7. Clear? So let us do it now. So x is equal to 0.7. Now bar is on only 2 and 9, which means only 2 and 9 are repeating. Now can you tell me which type of decimal is this? It is non-terminating, non-repeat. It is non-terminating, repeating, but it is mixed recurring. You see, you have some decimal which is not repeating. This 7 is not repeating, but it is a decimal, isn't it? This decimal place is not repeating, and these decimal places are repeating. Okay, so this is called mixed recurring decimal. Okay, we have discussed about all these things. Yes, so now what is the periodicity? As I told you, periodicity is how many decimal places are repeating. Now how many are repeating? Two places are repeating. See, only two places are repeating. So always you have to see this bar. This bar is on two decimals, isn't it? So only two decimals are repeating. Clear? So when two decimals are repeating, you will multiply equation 1 by what? You will multiply equation 1 by 100. 1 along with how many zeros? 2 zeros. Why? Because the periodicity is 2. Okay, so if you multiply, you'll get 100x is equal to, so this moves two places, so 1, 2. So it is 72.92929 and so on. Okay, understand the difference? This point is moving two places. Okay, so you have 72.929. This will be again 29, isn't it? So 29 is repeating. Okay, so this will be the pattern. Okay, so again you have x is equal to, what is the first one? So as I said, write the point first so that you will not have any confusion. Okay, so after point, so before point you have 0, you write that 0, and after point you have 72929. Did you understand now? So if you subtract, what happens? So just see, 100x minus x gives you 99x. Okay, so this is 99x is equal to, you start subtracting from here. So 9 minus 9 0, 2 minus 2 0, 9 minus 9 0, 2 minus 2 0, 9 minus 7 is 2, and 2 minus 0 is 2. This is 7. Okay, so 99x is equal to 72.2. Now see, there is another twist here. So x is what? X is 72.2 divided by 99. Fine. But see, did you get rational number here? The numerator is 72.2. It is again a decimal, isn't it? So we have learned in the first question, you suppose you have a number like this. So how will you convert it into decimal, into rational? You will just write the entire number here in the numerator without decimal point, and you'll write 1, and you'll see how many decimal places are there. How many are there? One place. So this is 722 divided by 10, isn't it? This is what we have learned in the first question. Yes, so we shall apply it here. So this is nothing but 72.2, you can write it as 722 divided by 10. Okay, and you have a 99 here, so write that 99 also in the denominator. So this is nothing but 722 divided by 990. Clear? So you can even cancel it. Okay, in two table also you can cancel it. So what happens? The final answer is nothing but, let me write it here. So let me erase this first. So let us write the final answer here. Yes. So are you getting it? Are you understanding? So let us see the final answer. This is nothing but if you cancel it with 2 table, what do you get? 2 threes are 6. So 1 is a remainder. This becomes 12. 2 6 are 12. 2 ones are. Okay. So this becomes 2 fours are 8. 1 is a reminder. This is 19 now. So 2 nines are 18. Again 1 is a reminder. 2 fives are 10. Okay. So 361 by 495. This is nothing but x. Okay. So 0.729 bar you can write it as 361 by 495. Is this clear? Let us move on to the last bit of this question. Okay, so you have 12.28 bar. The bar is on what? The bar is on only 8. Okay, so that you will take it as x. So fourth bit, let x is equal to 12 point. Let me check it once again. So it is 12.28 bar. Okay. Okay. So it is 12.28 bar. The bar is on 8. Okay. So this is nothing but 12.28 is only repeating. Okay. The bar is on 8. That means only that 8 is repeating. Clear? So this is equation 1. Now what is the next procedure? You will see what is the periodicity. Okay, so periodicity is what? How many digits are repeating? Only one digit is repeating. Okay, so periodicity is 1. When periodicity is 1, what did I tell you? You have to multiply by what? You have to multiply equation 1 by 10. Okay, 1 along with how many zeros? The number of zeros are equal to the periodicity. Periodicity is 1. So you'll multiply 1 along with only 1 zero. So what does that become? 1 along with 1 zero is nothing but 10. Okay, so multiplying you will get 10x is equal to, so you are multiplying with 10. So this moves one place here. So it becomes 122.888 and so on. This is equation 2. Okay, so what is the next step? You have to subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Okay, let us do it now. So 10x is equal to 122.888 and so on, and x is equal to what you have. So as I said, first write the point, okay, decimal point, then after decimal point, before decimal point you have 12, so write 12, after decimal point you have 288. Okay, so this helps you to make your work easier in exam time. So out of tension you'll panic and you'll write it wrong. Okay, so these small tips will help you to save yourself from losing marks. Okay, so let us do it now. 8 minus 8 is 0, 8 minus 8 is 0, 8 minus 2 is 6. Okay, 2 minus 2 is 0, 2 minus 1 is 1, and this is 1 is equal to 10x minus x is 9x. Okay, so what is x? X is 110.6 divided by 9. Now like in the previous problem, see here you have a decimal, so how will you convert it into rational? Let us do it directly here. Okay, so 1106 divided by 10 along with, sorry, 1 along with how many zeros? The number of zeros are equal to number of decimal places, isn't it? So here you have only one decimal place, so 10 into 9. Okay, so this is nothing but 1106 divided by 90. Okay, you can cancel it further. Clear? So you'll get the required rational number. So let us move on to the next question now. Okay, so yes, the third question is you have to find, what do you have to find? You have to find x plus y divided by x minus y if x is nothing but 5 by 2 and y is nothing but minus 3 by 4. Okay, so firstly let us find what is x plus y. Okay, so x plus y is nothing but 5 by 2, okay, plus minus 3 by 4. Clear? So let us take LCM now. This is equal to, LCM will be, LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. Okay, so here you will multiply this by 2. Okay, so 2 2s are 4. Now the denominators are same. So here you will also multiply numerator by 2. So it is 5 2s are 10. Okay, now plus into minus is minus. Here you have 4 and 4. Denominators are same. So numerator also you can write as it is. Clear? So this is nothing but 10 minus 3 is 7 and you have 7 upon 4. Okay, now what is x minus y? X minus y is again the same thing, 5 by 2 minus of minus 3 by 4. X is 5 by 2, y is minus 3 by 4. Okay, again the LCM is 4. Okay, here you will multiply by 2, so this becomes 10. Now see, minus into minus is plus, so it is 10 plus 3, so this is 13 divided by 4. Okay, now what do you want? You want x plus y divided by x minus y, isn't it? Let us do it here. Okay, so see, what is x plus y? X plus y is 7 by 4. You got it as 7 by 4 divided by x minus y is 13 by 4. Do you remember division of fractions? So what do? You write 7 by 4 and this division symbol becomes multiplication and you'll reciprocal this second term. Okay, so it becomes 4 by 13. Clear? So 4 and 4 gets cancelled. So what is the final answer? Final answer is 7 by 13. So this final answer is 7 by 13. Clear? So let us move on to the second bit now. So see, in second bit, you have x is nothing but 1 by 4, y is nothing but 3 by 2. Okay, here also let us find x plus y first. X plus y is 1 by 4 plus 3 by 2. Okay, so this is nothing but 4 is LCM. So here you will have 1 plus 6. I hope you are clear with your LCMs. Okay, so this is 7 by 4. Okay, again let us find what is x minus y. So it is 1 by 4 minus 3 by 2. Okay, so LCM is 4. So this is 1 minus 6. So it is minus 5 by 4. Okay, so you got x plus y and x minus y. So next you have to find what? You have to find x plus y divided by x minus y. Clear? So what is x plus y? X plus y is 7 by 4. So this is 7 by 4 divided by x minus y is what? It is minus 5 by 4. Okay, so this is minus 5 by 4. Now we will do it in this way. 7 by 4 division becomes multiplication and this becomes reciprocal. So it is minus 4 by 5. Clear? So 4 and 4 gets cancelled. So this is minus 7 by 5. Clear? Very simple, right? Simply you have to substitute the value of x and y, and first you will find this value x plus y, then you will find x minus y, then you will substitute here in the given question. Okay, so very simple fractions these are. Yes, so next question is divide the sum of minus 13 by 5 and 12 by 7 by the product of minus 13 by 7 and minus 1 by 2. So this question, you see, it has two parts. You firstly have to find the sum of this and then you have to find the product of this and then you can divide these two. Okay, so let me write it here. So firstly you have to find the sum of minus 13 by 5 and 12 by 7. Is this what we have to do? So this is nothing but, now LCM is 35. 5 and 7 LCM is 35. So we'll multiply this by 7. Okay, to equate it to 35. Now 5 7s are 35. So numerator also will multiply by 7. Isn't it? So see, 7 3s are 21. So 1 here, 2 is carried. Okay, keep it in your mind. So 7 1s are 7 plus 2 carried gives you what? It gives you 9. And you have a minus sign, so write minus. Okay. So now you have plus. Now here you have 7 and 35. So you will multiply this by 5. Okay, to equate it to 35. So numerator also will multiply by 5. 12 5s are 60. Clear? So minus 91 plus 60 is nothing but minus 31 by 35. Clear? So this part is finished, the first part. So the second part is you have to find the product of minus 13 by 7 and minus 1 by 2. Okay, so this is minus 13 into minus 1 is 13 divided by 7 2s are 14. Understood? So I am dividing the question into parts. Okay, the first part is you have to find the sum of minus 13 by 5 and 12 by 7. That you have done here. Okay, second part is you have to find the product of these two numbers. Okay, you have done. Now what is the third part? Third part is you have to divide the sum of these two numbers by the product of these two. Okay, sum of these two numbers you got it as minus 31 by 35. Okay, you have to divide this by product of these two numbers. How much did you get? It is nothing but 13 by 14. Clear? So simple fractions division it is. So minus 31 by 35. This division becomes multiplication and this becomes reciprocal. Okay, so if you multiply these two, you'll get the answer as minus 434 divided by 455. Okay, so just calculate, you'll get this answer. Okay, so the division, you have to divide the sum of this number by the product of this. So firstly you are calculating the sum, then you are calculating the product. Second step, third step, using these two answers you are dividing. Clear? Yeah. So here you have, if 2 by 5 of a number exceeds 1 by 7 of the same number by 36, you have to find the number. Okay. So firstly, you don't know the number. So let us write, let the number be x. Okay. Since we don't know the number. Okay. Now what are they saying? They're saying 2 by 5 of the number. Okay. 2 by 5 of the number is nothing but 2 by 5 of x exceeds 1 by 7 of a number. Okay, 1 by 7 of a number is this, 1 by 7 of the number. Okay, so 2 by 5 of the number exceeds 1 by 7. That means this is more than this. Okay, see the word exceeds. Okay, so 2 by 5 of the number is exceeding 1 by 7 of a number. That means 2 by 5 of a number is more. Okay, so it is exceeding this number by what? It is exceeding this number by 36. Okay, that means this number is bigger, and if you are subtracting these two numbers, you will get 36. Understood the logic? So 2 by 5 of a number is exceeding. That means now just see, suppose if I have a number 10. Now if I say 10 exceeds a number, say if 10 exceeds 6 by 4. That means 10 minus 6 gives you 4, isn't it? 10 exceeds 6 by 4, which means 10 minus 6 is giving you 4. The same logic. Now did you get it? So 2 by 5 of a number exceeds 1 by 7 of a number by 36, which means this is the statement which you will write. Clear? So let us now simple calculation. Okay. So 7 and 5, again the same LCM, 35. Okay, so here you will multiply by 7, so it will be 14x. 7 2s are 14x minus, so this is 5x equal to 36. So this is nothing but 14x minus 5x is nothing but 9x by 35 is equal to 36. So this is 9x is equal to 36 into 35. Okay, so I want the value of x because the number is x, isn't it? We have taken it as x. So x is equal to 36 into 35. This 9 is in multiplication. Going into other side becomes division. So see, 9 ones are 9 fours are. Okay, so x is nothing but 35 into 4. So now see, again there is one more shortcut. 35 twos are 70, isn't it? So see here. 35 twos is nothing but 70. 35 multiplied 2 times gives you 70. Now 35 multiplied 4 times gives you what? 70. If you double it, it will give you 35 multiplied 4 times, isn't it? So it is nothing but 140. Okay. So these simple tricks will make your maths easy. Only thing you have to do is practice doing maths and do follow me. Okay. So this is nothing but the answer is 140. So x is 140, which means the given number is 140. Okay. So today we have solved till 5 problems. Okay. So in the next video, I'll be solving the remaining problems, and don't forget to like the channel and don't forget to subscribe to the channel too. Like this video right now and share this channel to all your friends. Okay. Thanks for watching.